Alright, so we will have a card selected. So let's say this one. Okay, in this case, the 8 of Hearts. So we will put your name on it. So your name, like that, your name. So now we will have the paint to dry a little, like that. Okay, like that, should be enough. And we will put the card in the middle. Now we will have another card selected. So in this case it's a Joker. Okay, so if we push in the Joker, out will jump a red card, and that red card is, of course, the 8 of Hearts with your name on it. Right there you have it.